Hello students, today we are going to discuss your chapter 2, term 1 MCQ questions based on acid, bases and salt. Now the first question is zinc granules on treatment with an acid X forms zinc sulfate salt along with the evolution of gas Y which burns with a pop sound, and when brought near to a burning candle identify the acid X and give gas evolved Y. Now pop sound is there, then Y is confirmed, it is hydrogen gas, and because we are reacting and forming the zinc sulfate, that means SO4 will come from the sulfuric acid. So the answer will be C, sulfuric acid and hydrogen gas. The figure given below represents the experiments carried out between concentrated sulfuric acid and sodium chloride which react with each other to form HCl gas. Blue litmus paper is brought near the mouth of the delivery tube to check the presence of HCl, but no change is observed in the color of the litmus paper. So it is because the litmus paper is dry. Ions are released only when the litmus paper is wet. Next is which of the following phenomena occur when a small amount of acid is added to water. Now when we are adding acid is added to water, then the first thing which is happening is ionization and dilution. Which of the following indicators turns the red in an acidic solution? So it is turning red in acidic solution, it is litmus paper also and methyl orange also. So the answer D will be there. Now the sample of soil from a particular place was tested for its pH value. It came out to be 5. Which one of the following should be added to the soil to make it suitable for the plant growth? Now the pH 5 means it is acidic, so we should add some base. So we can add calcium hydroxide or calcium oxide, both can be added. Identify the product of the following reactions. We have to write the product, which products will be formed. Now calcium carbonate reacting with HCl will give you calcium chloride, carbon dioxide and water. 3 products will be formed. Next is an ant sting can be treated with dash which will neutralize the effect of the chemical injected by the ant sting into your skin. Now ant sting produces acid, so you will use baking soda, that is basic in nature. In the following reaction identify the salt form. Ammonium hydroxide is reacting with sulfuric acid will give you ammonium sulfate. Next is which among the following represent the chemical formula for the plaster of Paris? So the chemical formula for the plaster of Paris is calcium sulfate hemihydrate, that means CSO4 dot half H2O. Copper sulfate crystals when heated strongly lose their water of crystallization to give anhydrous copper sulfate accompanied by change in color from blue to white. Next is bleaching powder is used as a disinfectant for water to make water germ free. Which of the following salt will give acidic solution when dissolved in water? So the ammonium chloride will give acidic solution when dissolved in water because it is having a strong acid which is known as hydrochloric acid. Next are the assertion region questions. A, B, C, D options. You must have remembered that what is A meaning, B meaning. First question is the acid must always be added to water with constant stirring. Mixing of acid with water decreases the concentration of ion per unit area. So both the statements are correct, but R is not the correct explanation, that's why B. Copper sulfate crystals were wet because it contains water of crystallization. Water of crystallization is a fixed number of molecules of water present in one formula unit of salt. So here the first option is wrong. Copper crystals are wet because it contains, these are not wet, even they contains water of crystallization. So only the R option is correct. The aqueous solution of glucose and alcohol do not show acidic character. Aqueous solution glucose do not give ions, both are correct, so A option. Weak acids have low electrical conductivity. Strong acid and weak acid have equal concentration of hydrogen ion in the solution. So R is wrong, A is correct, so C option. Next is pure water is neither acidic nor basic. The pH of solution is inversely proportional to the concentration of air. The statements both are correct, but the explanation is wrong, that's why the B option is. Baking powder is used in making cake instead of using oil, only baking soda. Baking powder contains tartaric acid which react with sodium carbonate and removes bitter taste. So both are correct and A option. The chemical formula of bleaching powder is calcium oxychloride CaCO Cl2, but it is 2 here. So that's why the first is wrong. Calcium oxide first is correct. Calcium oxide reacts with chlorine to form bleaching powder. R is wrong, so that's why C option. ये 2 यहाँ पे आया नहीं था. The process of dissolving an acid or a base in water is highly exothermic reaction. we must always be water must be always be added to acid without constant stirring. So A is correct, B is wrong, sorry, reason is wrong, that's why C option. Next, the case study questions. Read the following passage and answer any 4 questions. A compound X of sodium forms a white powder. It's constituent of baking powder and is used in some antacids. When heated, it gives a compound Y which is anhydrous and absorbs water to become a hydrated salt. When the salt is kept in open air, it loses water and molecules in a process called efflorescence. When dissolved in water, it forms a strong base and a weak acid. Now, what is the compound X? It is sodium hydrogen carbonate. The compound Y is sodium carbonate. What is the nature of the solution formed? It will be alkaline nature. And identify the compound Z. So, the compound Z will be, you can see from the answers, it is carbonic acid, H2CO3. And fifth, sodium carbonate is basic compound because it is a salt of, now it is a salt of weak acid and strong base. So, these are the 4 options, you can correct them. Next is you have to read this following and answer the question. These are case study question or paragraph, anything you can say. These are the sample solutions. Then the what color will change with the litmus, with blue litmus, with phenolphthalein and methyl orange. Now, which of the following substance does not turn red litmus solution to blue? Now, aluminium hydroxide, magnesium, phosphoric acid and ammonium hydroxide. Now, in this you have to see that what from the table कि यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है इसमें. You can see from the table also which of the following substance does not turn red litmus blue. Actually इसके आंसर्स जो हैं आपके यहाँ से आप देखेंगे. We are talking of aluminium hydroxide will turn red litmus blue because it is a basic in nature. Magnesium is also there. Phosphoric acid will not turn because it is acid. Then phenolphthalein color is basic medium is dash, but in acidic it will be colorless. So in basic medium it will be pink and next in it is colorless. Others answers will be third B part, you can see, and fourth B part and fifth B part. Next again read the following passage, you can write the answers also. Bleaching powder is used, so the bleaching powder first is D part, all of these are there. Second D part, third you can write B part, fourth D part and fifth it's A part. So these are the 3 case study questions. Hope you like the worksheets. Thanks for watching.